A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Ninad Bhatt from class 12th. Today, I am going to interview a few of my fellow classmates about Ikigai.
Ikigai is a Japanese word that can be translated as the reason why you feel motivated to get out of bed every morning. If you're a person who has already found purpose in life, who works with motivation, and if you are happy with what you already have, you have probably found your Ikigai. Ikigai is your reason for living.
So let it roll. So, as you know that it's human tendency to be materialistic at times, do you still think one can find his or her own Ikigai?
Brilliant question. I feel like most of the people know what they want to do, but don't know why they want to do what they want to do. So I feel like it all comes back to the why. We all in today's time are running behind those materialistic obsessions, living a lavish lifestyle, cars, bungalows, healthy. But why? And Ikigai cannot be generalized. It's unique for literally everyone. um, the purpose is to find Ikigai. Can be different for everyone. For someone it can be family's health, for someone it can be earning money, for someone it can be personal growth, but it's very personal and unique for everyone.
As you already know what Ikigai is, have you ever questioned yourself what your purpose in life is?
With so many opportunities in life, especially after the pandemic, like the pandemic is still going on, but in 2021 there's been a rapid increase of the kind of jobs people can get. So it has created a lot of like abundance of job opportunities. This abundance is, worse than scarcity, because people find it difficult for them to find what they actually love and find what they want to do in life. So personally, uh, if you talk about my purpose in life, I am in that journey of finding my passion, something I love to do, and something I'll not regret doing for a long period of time
Throughout your lifetime.
throughout my life. So I can say I am privileged with with this abundance, but it is really difficult to figure out what I.
So, what you're basically saying is that you are yet to find what your purpose in life is, and you also think that the thing which is making it harder is the abundance of opportunities, which makes it harder for you to find that
My
purpose.
passion. Yeah, the purpose is passion. Finding my passion.
Okay.
So this can be the teenagers and the adults both come into the same category of not being able to find what they want to do.
So, I would like to ask you that what are you actually passionate about,
I am passionate about sports. I play football.
and are you planning to make your passion as your career?
Yeah, I am planning my passion to make my career. And the first part is what I am good at. So I think I am personally good at management skills, and I have participated in a lot of activities which are related to management in schools and colleges, and also my neighborhood. Secondly, what I love football, and I've been playing football since 4th grade, and I think I can achieve something in that field. And third, will I be paid? So yeah, I made something which relates sports and my management skills and combines to sports management. And yeah, sports management is something I am very excited, and it will pay me well.
Okay, so you have combined your passion and your profession. So, have you discovered your Ikigai?
Ikigai is not to be discovered. It's a journey and not a destination. To live life to the fullest, you know, find good in people, love what you do, and it's about the moment. It's not that okay, I'll get a job, then I'll earn this much, and then I'll get happiness in my life. It's
Having that
It's-
motivation
exactly,
to do what
exactly.
you want to do, right?
having motivation wherever you are, however you are, just enjoy.